In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account for business. Start by opening Gmail and signing in with any existing Google account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose Add another account. This opens a new Google sign-in window. On that screen, select Create Account, and when asked who it's for, choose for Work or My Business. This routes you into Google's Business Setup, which is part of Google Workspace, and gives you professional email at your own domain. Next, choose to create a new account so you're starting fresh. You'll be prompted to type in your details. Fill out your basic information carefully so Google can set up your admin profile correctly. After that, enter your company name exactly as you want it to appear across your business tools. You'll also be asked for the number of employees. Pick the option that best matches your current size, even if it's just you. Then select your country. Make sure this matches your current location and IP address so pricing, currency, and verification works smoothly. Click Next to continue. You'll now pick how to handle your domain. If you don't already own one, choose Get a new custom domain. If you do have a domain, you can select the option to use it instead. But for this walkthrough, continue with getting a new one. Confirm by clicking Continue with this method. Google will suggest domain names based on your business. You can accept the suggestion or click the option that says something like, "Let's find a domain name for your business to search for alternatives." Aim for a name that is short, easy to spell, and clearly tied to your brand. Consider common extensions like .com, but regional or industry-specific extensions can also work well. Once you've found an available domain, choose a payment plan for it. Review the term, length, price, and renewal settings so you know how it will be billed. When you're ready, click Next to proceed. You'll then enter your business information for domain registration. Provide accurate legal name, address, and contact details. This is required for domain ownership records and important notifications. Complete the form as prompted and submit. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your Google Workspace setup. Google will confirm your selections, process your domain, and guide you into your new business Gmail. When everything finishes, you will be able to send and receive email using your custom domain, all powered by Google's business tools.